Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope my voice is coming out. Advance, I can see you. This is our late night broadcast. I told us that I would come tonight to spend time together, and we are here. We are here. Like I said, honestly, I did not know that I would make it. To be honest with you, I didn't know, and we have something to discuss. But on the course of my preparation, when I'm preparing to come, I noticed that there's a breaking news. So our topic changed immediately. You have to change because many of you know that what is going on now is not something that we just feel reluctant about it. Somehow happy and sad. Is a good news, is also sad news. Good news that we have heard enough. Sad that our people are decided to, misbehave, like the woman that we are going to, cultivate in her own farm, in her vineyard today, which is why it's Ocha. Benjamin McAfee, I see you. Obinna, I see you, Obinna. You are welcome. Please do me a favor and like the video. Let me just take some time and share this live broadcast. Very, very important. Let me quickly share that. Just a moment. Please keep your comment coming. I know this kind of broadcast is not, this kind of live stream is not something that you should expect a lot of people because it's late hour. Only few, and I'm streaming from our second platform so that let's just try our best here. Wow. I wanted to call you. I'm happy to have you now. I'm happy that you are here, sir. How are you? Good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you. And you just joined us on time. I should be made before December. We have a late hour. So I have to reach out to another person. But I have gotten what I wanted to discuss with you. Okay. You're welcome. Please put your comments so I will know how many of us that are here. We have 11 people in the house. Please let your comment come before we go to the program that brought us here. Actually, we need to do better. Okay, let me just a moment.
Mama mubuna nata be mo manka bu fade na meri. Ki mo me mi ren kene ko le. O ka ro ni gbo. Yeah. You go when? Yeah. When? Yeah. They say ni ke. O ma shake na mo. E kene mo ma ni na. Nya kene mo ma ni na.
Wait you.
We kene ke na go. O ti ko to le we ro. Ikara le ma do ko we ndu nu go. Never mind, tell the look at the go where you be. Mana mobile and Nata Bebo and Kabu for the enemy. Him of me, you ain't gonna go there. You will when? Yeah, when? Yeah, we say you. Oh, my shack and I'm wrong. I can name of Martinino. I can name of Martinina. Where can I care when I go? What you got all that well wrong? You call her when I don't go when the moon go. Never mind, the go where you be. Mana mobile and Nata Bebo and Kabu for the enemy. Him of me, you ain't gonna go there. You will when? Yeah, when? Yeah, we say you. Oh, my shack and I'm wrong. I can name of Martinino. I can name of Martinina. Where can I care when I go?
Okay. Everything is okay. Now we are good to go. All right. Okay. Welcome back. So I saw this news and I felt like sharing it with us. In fact, this night we are going to just is a kind of open discussion. It's going to be open discussion because COS reported that anybody bringing falsehood is going to pay. When I saw this headline, I said, okay, let me just bring it to you so that you know what we are talking about. Because I don't want to, let's just go straight to it. So then we cannot deliberate on it. I think it's worth sharing. Where's the option? Okay, the option is here. Okay. So what you are seeing here is, just a moment. I don't know why this thing is hiding like this. Just I think it's okay. Now, this is from COS, as you can see on the screen. Okay, she made this post, and she said, "Breaking: the United States of Biafra is built on truth. Liars will pay the price. Liars will pay the price." You can tell that since Biafran, after convention in Finland, COS have never sounded this way. USB have never made a comment in this way. Why this headline, this post that she made this evening is very, very crucial is this. There must be a reason behind this post. There must be a reason behind this post. When you listen to the audio that is attached or the video that is attached to this headline, you will relate. Pay attention. Let's go. Short one, for that matter. Very short video.
USB recharge card terrorist gang group. So, dear fans, we have problem. The problem that we have is
pay attention again. Play again.
Gang group. Ebengozo Alabeze USB recharge card terrorist gang group. So, dear fans, we have problem. The problem that we have is a gang group. Ebengozo Alabese USB recharge card terrorist gang group.
Now,
so Biafrans, we have problem. The problem that we have is
now this is the end of the first one. When you read the message attached to this, he said, procure de la Republique Tribunal Judiciary de Paris. You know, this is French. Paris Code Section de la I don't know how to read French. Okay, you can see judiciary. It should be this one. This has to do with court. It could be court injunction or court order coming against this woman. That's what I'm sensing. That is exactly what I'm saying, because it has to. You can see the address 75001 Paris, France. Orange Guena. This thing that Biafrans have been asking, finally they're getting it. Finally they're getting it. Why is it that my screen, my video is not showing? What's going on? What's the problem? Wait. Okay. What is wrong with this thing? Sometimes this system behave like crazy. You see, go back again. Why is everywhere dark? Why? This is crazy. If I come, okay, just let me know if you can see what I'm talking about, please. Very, very important, because if let me monitor it from phone, so that I will not misjudge my screen. Let me join from phone and see how far. So the summary of everything is that USB government is very, very eager. The way I'm seeing it is a breaking. The court is heading. This woman is heading to court with the USB government. So she will go there now to prove all this terrorism, kidnapping, and a. So remember, she's not the only one from Biafra land. If you bring fake news, people will dig it out and tell you how the source of it. And you cannot just conclude. Then you have to bring the newspaper that have labeled USB, what you are saying and all that. Even nobody could church busy. Ana guanti, mantana. Abibu is a woolmanti. So that is number one. Number two is this video. Just evidence, just few of them, Don't they, I know you cannot expect USB government to bring everything on social media. I honestly don't like the way this thing is behaving. I don't like it. I don't like it.
We don't care of terrorists, bandit woman, or and the higher roll of work. Don't have to cover anything now. You don't cover. You can't cover. I cover here. I get Finland. Chineke we make go to where would you Nwayi body you dead, when me bad you me bad you Nwayi body dead. Aja ni go where no Obatobie, I will at least say Obatobie for some minutes. I will take a picture. Or one on the charge card that I caught that day, even a single person. The charge card that I caught that day. Nobody. Even a single person. Honestly, never goes on a war of land, bandit. Jihadist. I can't this woman. Anna Mabia, Makawalono. If you were bandit. Can go to mission on Gosna Biafra land now. From that year to come to friend that day, everything put an effect. Oh, Biafra was even go to represent that Biafra land. mission Ngozi na Biafra land. And don't have a focus. Naka ikwe a focus na ka Biafra mala nke we esi okwu. Because na everything na dey open. Owu na ndị ọzọ aye ekwu mụ nwa ada ndị mba na ndị egere ya ekwu. Because I have continue banking and egwu ndị be anyị by this woman called Ngozi. On it terrorize our land. Now turn into jihad by jihadists. Islamization. Or even goes on a Bugoro Fulani to the way there. Agenda goes on a Bugoro Fulani. Islamization. By fire, by force. By whom would any jihadists. By whom would any terrorists. And they terrorize our land. They put us our men. And I go Biafra. When anything I go to Basalia. I come for that one. Because if I'm back today, be very, very important. And that's on case share this program. Make it on and the ban on this message. Now, a charge card, terrorist, gang group. So, dear fans, we have problem. The problem that we have is a bagifa. Or also, the way you we don't care. You know who work for the commander in chief of terrorists, bandit woman, or and the higher roll work for anything.
Now, I just shared my link. Recently, because I told us it's going to be open conversation. If you want to join me, you can join me and tell us what you think about this cutting, this move that USB is trying to make now. Are you a supporter or are you against? I know people will, some people may have mixed feelings about this. Some are tired of waiting to sue this woman. Some also are tired of waiting to sue Ogenkere. I know this for sure. But if you don't mind to join me, follow the link. Let us talk about it. Because it's not something that COS just beat her chest and said, okay, let me go and sue. I'm not saying that they have sued her. I'm just telling you that what I'm feeling, what I'm seeing from this write-up and this post could be that they are going to take action against her. Action could be in different way. It could be, have to pay charges for blackmailing. It could be, okay, you have to give us proof. We need proof of what you are saying that you have done. You know, that kind of thing. So US government may come in a different way. As a journalist, she says she is. You have to also bring your license as a journalist. Even about every journalism or journalist, they have license. Where are you working from? Who are you? So if you say that you are a content creator, it will make more sense. As long as you are parading yourself as a journalist, as an analytical analyzer, whatever you want, it is time to also justify that. The same woman has been mocking us that you said that we are content creator. She says she's a freedom fighter. Then when things shows, okay, things that freedom fighters do come, she will not be there. Or 1440. Or 1440. The question is now you have to come and prove all those things that you said. You have to come now and let Biafra know what makes you as a terrorist woman. You have to also provide where she has terrorized. If you say that she's a Bible, you have to also bring it. And if you go to Google and check a Bible, you know how the outfit, was organized and who are those behind it. This one don't have any proof whatsoever of whatever she's claiming. But she want to talk anyway. She want to get it right. She want to be known. She want people to know her as a Garadima. I'm just saying. If this is true, if US will actually sue her or ready to sue her, are you in support of that or are you against? Many people have called for this thing months ago. And one thing many of us don't know is that COS is, don't believe in taking any legal action on any Biafran. Biafran people have pushed her so many times. I know people that have come on my platform and request for that. Why is government silent about this? Why is there? Why even before we can sue Biafrans, Biafran have been calling for him to be sued, but CS don't want it. She don't believe in that, which is understandable. Which is very, very understandable, because this is not what you need to go into now. But now, my brothers and sisters, the situation call for that. If you go about the highest, that is the moment I say, she needs to answer some query. That is it. And Madam Ojugo has joined us this night. You are welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Should I talk?
Yeah, sure. Of course.
Okay. Yeah. I just joined right now.
Okay.
And yeah, I saw what you posted. I saw it online. But
okay.
I was with on a Kalena TV platform.
Okay.
When I saw that on S handle the Dr. Ngozo, and so I sent the link to Kalena TV.
Okay.
And to my own, I was excited. I was Good. Happy that finally, because
finally
I called for, because this is a government and we have a Justice Department. And if Biafra has waited this for a long time.
I'm telling you.
Put an end to that, because we need to put an end. These things have to come to an end so that, the confusion in the midst of our people will stop. You must use one person to teach a lesson. This is a government, and what she's saying is very, very detrimental. Why I said that was, in her platform, a woman from US called, and that's what got me really concerned.
You're not alone.
And called, yes, and gave that advice. I said to myself, even during Chooks, I said, government need to take action immediately. This is what happened during Simon Ekpa. And we're playing about it, thinking that nothing happened.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. And we're not thinking, who hacked this woman's phone? What is the reason behind the hack of her phone? Who hacked her phone? What information are they looking for? And she is 100% bound to destroy the government. 100%. Remember, there was a day they are doing fundraising. And Dr. Ngozo was talking about Nigerian government. She was listening. And she was hitting her hand on the table saying, we shall see. Then my mind is, what do you mean by you shall see? Are you for Biafra or you're for Nigerian government? This woman did not call you. She was talking about Nigerian government, and you're on your decks saying we shall see. And I think it was on, I don't know if it's on yours or Chuk that I said, I think all yours. I want a lot when somebody said,
yeah, I remember you said it.
Yeah, don't take it for granted. And you gave an example of somebody in your family. You don't take that for granted. This woman has committed, you. I don't know who will bear what Dr. Ngozo will bear. I would have sued her for defamation of character long time.
If that kind of thing happened to me and I kept quiet, it simply means that I am handicapped. I can't do anything.
Oh my God.
That's all the fact.
I was like, how? I caught a friend in France. How can I sue this woman for defamation of character? And the person said, well, it's not me. You know, I couldn't. I mean, Dr. Ngozi Arabeza, I don't know what kind of heart she got. I'm telling you. Defamation of character to the highest order. And do you know what it is killing? Anybody that's lost his or her life, she back it palm to this woman.
I'm telling you.
Anybody.
The same thing US did to Simon Ekpa. You know, there was a time US was doing the same thing to PM Simon Ekpa. Any crime, even if people that if there's road accident.
Yes, and we were laughing about it. We were thinking that it wasn't serious.
They keep on comparing that list.
Look at where it landed us. You know? So in fact, if anything is more than 100%, I supported it. It's time.
Honestly.
It's time. And it shouldn't end with her. Anybody, like I saw the Nnamdi Kalu's lawyer suing those that are calling IPOB terrorists. We need to take legal action. We live in civilized world.
That word is the highest of, like, even if I'm not in support of people suing, you know, anybody. You see, the moment it has to do with Winigwe,
yes.
I don't that is the highest level you can go. You understand?
Anybody, any politician, any group that committed anything, this woman targets Dr. Ngozi Arabeza. Anything at all.
Do you know what is Nigerian army doing what they're doing now in Igbo State, Okigwe?
Yes.
This man said that Ngozi Arabeza. Nah. I've never seen it. And she knows she's doing it deliberately, just to I don't know what she wants to get.
I said she vowed. Go look for her this where she clapped and said, "We shall see."
It's not one, it's not two. I know the video you're talking about. It's not one, it's not two. She has said it many countless number of times.
She will single-handedly bring you down. That's a vow.
The recent one is when there's a video that I even shared it. She said that no genkere Ngozi Arabeza and no get recruit rufa terrorists on a recruit with go get recruit with Nigerian recruit. Then in the midst of making that statement, she said, "No problem, Nigerian the governors. Why emphasizing on that? If at all you are not somehow on contract."
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Why must he emphasize on that? Or because you call the recruiting group of terrorists, or recruiting, then with the one Nigeria is doing. Then for her to continue with her statement, she has to emphasize on dwell more on Nigerian that she made, trying to give a kind of explanation. Why explain it, but you don't explain it when it has to do with your own people? The reason is because you are somehow contracted with, I don't know, but she tried to play smart. She thinks that nobody knows this what she's doing. That's why she bragged that she wished to go into PM and bring her own brand.
I don't know if she thinks she's smarter than everybody. Yes. When I saw this in the morning, I think it was in the morning, American time. So I screenshot it and sent it to a friend of mine in Canada that speaks French very well. I said, please interpret this. So she interpreted it. I said, oh Lord, finally, we got
interpreted what?
The write-up. That write-up there.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they wrote it in France.
In French, yes.
Yes, in French. So I sent it to her for her to interpret that,
And do you mind to share to us what the interpretation is all about?
Yes. Oh,
Okay.
let me see. Let me check her this one. Okay, she said this is it.
Hello? And your voice is no longer coming out. Are you still here with us?
Yes, I am.
Okay, okay.
So I tried to read that stuff, but
It's not in English language. I only
yeah,
noticed that.
it says this is she said this is address of a tribunal persecutor in Paris, France.
Okay.
That's what she said.
Okay. So that simply means that it's something that has to do with the court.
Yes, it has. Even when if you read the French, you see that it's something that has to do with
Yeah, that
yeah.
like tribunal judiciary. I can see the here,
Yes.
but
So
it's spelled in.
hopefully tomorrow, 7 p.m. Biafra time, we'll say if the
Fundraising.
DPM will.
In fundraising,
Yes,
it will
we'll
make more
mention,
sense.
help us with what is going on. But she deserve this 1,000%. Not only her. Not only her.
Well, she need. Let's start. Let them start. Let USB start from
Yeah,
her.
because how can you be calling this terrorist word is what the Mazenam, the Carlos lawyers are fighting Nigerian government, and this is what we are fighting Nigerian government, and then someone who was once a cabinet member using that word.
Imagine, just like me, as an independent broadcaster, I cannot come out and begin to call Obinkele. You
I can't
understand?
use it. I
There's
cannot.
no need. Despite the differences, despite disagreement, you don't need to do that kind of nonsense. You
Hey,
don't need to. And just speaking of what CS is going through, you know, people don't know the respect. Like I know CS the way she talk, you can at least dictate one. Or you may just feel like you know her, like what she can do, the kind of person that she is.
yeah.
Each time she want to talk about, let's say for example, Butuzo, she always have tone, her voice always calm down to address them. The same thing with this woman. When this woman was in the cabinet with her, she don't, even though people notice that this woman lie a lot, CS don't go all out to attack her. She always trying to be calm on her. But most of those people that have come out publicly to yap nonsense, they don't know the respect that she have for them. Like this issue of Botozo.
She calls them commander.
My commander, the general.
Yes.
Even in the midst of that audio that he released, she still accorded him a very big respect. I can personally, I can like now somebody come out and say what
I can't do that though.
I'm sorry, my bone. I'm not all that. I know I'm not all that. I'm sorry. I don't have the patience.
I don't either.
My own gift is not up to that level. You understand? Like to come down. No. That's why some people come out here when they join me on my program, maybe through comment section or anything. Once they yap nonsense, I don't hesitate to reply because I am wired like that. I'm sorry about it, but that is who I am. I cannot be that. You cannot insult me. I'll be, nursing anger in my house and you're enjoying where you are. No. I have to share it so that
I have to share. That's how I react to. I have to give it. Otherwise, when I lay down, that will be bothering me.
I won't be myself. Yes. I won't myself. How can you just
me? And I'll be setting a trap so that I will say that out at one point.
Thank you. The same thing. But once I pour my mind out,
that's it.
We are good to go.
Yeah.
Don't just because you cannot just come out like this one. When the USB said when the cabinet meeting some time ago, they tried to vote for self-defense. For self-defense, this woman Okwechiri. Now publicly, knowing what Ogenkere and their group were doing that time, because CS wanted to carry the momentum of PM, voting in the public, discussing something in the public, and getting it done, in the public. This is the woman that chased everybody away from that. She said no. How can you say self-defense? Oh my God! How can they defend themselves? Give it to our angel. Even if you give your angels what it takes to defend you, you have to defend yourself before they come. Aganamo before you. Today, Musa is now telling Nigerians to start learning how to combat.
Defending themselves. Yes, that's true. And it's the same woman that made them to form that CCB or BCC, whatever they form, that are becoming the Biafra INEC.
CRC.
The same human being.
The same woman.
Eh?
The same woman.
And she don't advise herself, for crying out loud.
You have to accept that what you are doing is wrong for you to look for amendment. She don't believe that. She don't believe that she's making blunder. She don't believe that, and that's a very terrible situation, because you have to accept. You have to accept that you are wrong before making correction, before looking for a way to correct yourself. How can you? If you say that you're okay, in fact, she called herself, like this is her recent video, that for her to say that she wished to impart her brain to PM. For you to see how she herself.
My brother, I heard that one.
For you to see how she read herself.
I heard that one. I was like, is this person normal? Oh my God.
The day before the day that I write on that video, I said, God forbid of my life. I said, you want to go into PM and control PM. That is witchcraft activities, but it's not going to happen.
Let me tell you, I've said this in your platform before. The woman is possessive of PM. That's all. She is. She's a woman of a woman. She is like real.
I know. Like, it's not hidden.
To you. So anybody, if there is a way she can, with him to tell why you want to so okay, what the real I don't know. And it's so clear, it's so obvious. She lacked control of it at all. Like she totally lacked control.
The person who could River Goddess could once every time in the program.
No, it was me.
Well, you were the one, okay.
Yeah.
Was it you? Okay.
Yeah.
That I just said that this picture,
yes. That's what I'm saying. I think it was on your program that I said something like that.
I forgot that you are the one. I was even thinking that River Goddess is the one. Anyway, the woman, she's something else. Very, very desperate to see if she can have her way, on PM. But I don't think PM is not that kind of person that.
For what now? For who?
Just this is I see you, man. You are welcome. Now Musa is encouraging self-defense. Before even Musa, the DSS boss, he was the one that made comments.
Yes, he did.
He was the one that requested, the man was telling Nigerians to learn how to do self-defense. If you want defense, I will defend. Oh, no, you are coming after your soldiers. Look at it. Self-defense first. You don't see here. You don't need people to even advise you to defend yourself. It is a natural phenomenon. Like when something is coming to you, it is normal for you to react, to protect yourself. If not, if you try to
even that Danjuma man that came out last year to say then they've colluded.
Yeah.
That's a big sign. Like when now boy actually shoe naka.
But the role of Danjuma and the whole Nigerian structure, like Nigerian government, I hope you know who Danjuma really is.
Yes.
Danjuma have worked all this security and all this army chief. The man have been there.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That for
he's
that
a general.
man of that level to come and tell us that, and people are still playing around.
People need to understand that it's not. You don't need people to tell you to go and drink water after eating. It is natural for you to ask for water. It is natural for you to start looking for water. So, and what is going on in Nigeria? There is only black people that can enjoy it. I don't think what happened in Nigeria, in a month will happen in abroad, or in these Western countries, and they will fold their hands. No, a month alone. Look at Dangote, the trailer now moving from place to place, buying people at will, and getting away from nobody cares. Nobody. Just like I said, the very dark man has taken it upon himself. Imagine if a Igbo man from Anambra, from Ebonyi or Abia, is the one that challenged Dangote's truck. What do you think would have happened? By now, very dark man would have been in Kirikiri. That is the country people are trying to give you false hope that somehow they have a way of making it, better. There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Does it one? Yes, I thought that Rama should go to court in France and answer in court. I hope because she always said that I have intel. So time to showcase that your intel has come. Time to showcase that your intel has come. I know some people will kick against this. Some will be like, how can you encourage people to sue and you are against those who sue? They are not the same. They are not the same. If anybody choose to call Oginkere Ogbonigo without proof, it is wrong. That's why I said I can't call him. So let's imagine how the gravity of Igwamba Nobo na social media. In Igwamba Nobo Ogbonigo. All the very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. So, my people, this, like I said, the update is here. And if you have, of course, I know that many of us here tonight will be in support. Many of us will be in support of this because it is long overdue. People have been waiting for this for a very long time. After calling, and remember, when you hear this woman talking about the USB terrorist group or soldiers, the one the Omar called was a terrorist, everything terrorist. It's not about US. Not at all. Is it not about USB? Not at all. It's about even you. Because the moment you start defending yourself as self-defense, your enemy will look at you and say, look, one of you have been calling, alerting us that you guys are Ndobuni. You have been recruiting yourself. Before you know it, you are not allowed. Other region, other part in Nigeria will be allowed to defend themselves, but you cannot defend yourself because to them, your sister, your brother have actually informed the whole world on social media that you guys can do Ndobuni. That this thing that people use to defend themselves, in your own case, you are using it to commit crime. And those crime, no video evidence, nothing whatsoever. This is the reason why I said her own is totally different. Very, very much different. And if you think that is not true, maybe somehow it is a lie, they're trying to blackmail her and all that, please, the link is here. You can also come here and educate us on that. This kind of program is best done in the daytime, maybe when people are still active on social media. But basically, a program like this favors those that are in US, Canada, even some people in Europe may be like, I'm tired from work and I need to rest and all that. But some of us that are living in those places, you understand what I'm talking about. It could be your evening and or afternoon. But no matter what, you can also devote, because this is Saturday, we may have time to discuss with us. Benjamin Ugo is here. Good morning, Biafrans from my end. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please, if you have not liked the video, please do click on like button so that the people that are not aware that we are live, we receive notification, and that's the way for this platform to push it out. Kai report, I greet you, and I may greet you, Pastor Benjamin. Okay, man. How are you? Before now, people used to ask, where are you watching from? Where are you calling from? I remember when Mazakano was, hosting a question and answer segment program like that. Once you called him, he'll ask you what is your name. You answer, he asks you, where are you watching from? Now people are scared of telling you where they're watching from. I don't know. Mazakano is something else. He removed that fear in the minds of our people. Now that fear has come back again. You hardly hear anybody telling you, okay, I'm watching from so place. No. You just tell you from my end, which is okay, because now if anybody else can get more, I understand that. So speaking of why is such a need to understand that Biafra has have counted on this nonsense that she's doing for a very long time. People, I know somebody that told me that, do you know, I like what USB are doing. I know that they are trying their best. I know that they are real, they're genuine. But I don't like this, they're silent. When people are dragging them and trying to label them, speaking of an action of Genkere, speaking of this kind of why is it that they're not taking actions? And some people stop donating, which is wrong. They stop donating because to them, why are they silent? They need to do something. Not one, not two. Many people have told me that. But it has gotten to a point, that a USB government cannot hold or pretend over that again. Very, very interesting, isn't it? Jerry said, yes, that evil woman should go and tell us how Biafrans become terrorists. She forgot that we are now a government, not like before. Here's your comment. I forgot to bring it up. She don't know that, even though she claimed that she knew everything, she's smart. Do you know how many people that have warned this woman about this? Don't say this, no. Don't go there, no. I just that, no, yeah, why are you going to, you're going to, one conversation, you're going to go to. I just, one day, on for some time. Or you go, will be 001. I don't know how they feed them there. I don't know, because I just said good morning from my end. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. I can't just push it. This is my end. You can't even hear my brother. Very good. All right. I am tired of some people calling her from US. Some people calling her from US and rather NMGCK. I hope they are not proud that they at least they have something to help to offer now, right? Maybe they know how to go about it. Ezin Wifey is here with us tonight. Mazikai, good evening from my end. Oh, Ezin was so in on Bodo Trump. Good evening to you. If you come now, Europe, I'm coming on side there. How is your family? I hope all is well. Isn't why if I know what is your take about this thing? Are you in support or are you against? Are you in support of it or are you against? I hope that I just want to know if there's anybody that will be like I am against it. Our mommy that made a comment before did not even say anything about it. She just said, okay, Musa encourage, okay, did not say anything about it. Yes, I thought that's from the one. Okay. Yes, I am. I'm in US. We are super excited. Good. So today's fundraising being Saturday because now it's already 12 from Biafra land here. I'm using Biafra time. I'm not in Biafra land, but I'm using Biafra time. It's already now 12. Okay. In fact, it's almost 1. Few minutes to 1, I believe. Let me cross check again too, because I don't know if time has changed. Let me cross check again. I typed time in Biafra land. I wasn't in Enugu. Current local time in Enugu. Okay, yeah. I think I was right. I was right. Yeah, few minutes to 1, almost 1 a.m. Almost 1 a.m. If you look very well, you can see that. Let me bring it up. That is from my child Jerry. If you look very well, you can see that not even zoological government, okay, Zuria government will have the nerves to call us Udobunigwe. Talk more of one Efulefu in France. She should get ready. Ogenkere have not even used the word. I have not seen Ogenkere call. What all they could say is USB recharge card. But this woman had banditry, countless times. She have said that, and she's not panicking, She don't feel remorse over that. She's saying it with confidence. Any backup government wants from us, they will definitely get it. I promise you, my guy. I be my brother. I mean, that is, people are not smiling now. People are not smiling at all. People are not smiling.
My dear, our people have suffered a lot. From Mazi Namdekaro to Simon Ekpa, and now, Mba.
She's don't ask question. I don't even know. Is there anything like what is giving her that confidence? Is it the people that, because she told us before that the Ohanese called her to work with the Lisikan? I don't know if you're aware of that. And
I'm not aware, but I always say that name would even here.
Okulia also that Ohanese called her. They reached out to her to work with him. You know that yellow girl called Lizzie Carlo. I don't know if you know her.
No.
Hey, how will I share that? Okay, maybe one of my program, maybe later tomorrow, I will search for her picture. Lizzie Carlo is she's doing a broadcast as well. Lizzie Carlo. I don't think she's popular to appear in Google. Okay, she's in Google. Can you imagine? Okay, she's in Google. Lizzie Carlo. Look at her. Okay, let me see if I will display her picture so that you take a look. I believe if you are watching if you are good in Nigerian content, maybe reaction videos, you may know her. Where's that picture? Lizzie Carlo is working with according to Nwayi Social. she's working with Ohaneze. Ohaneze, have contract for her she signed contract with Ohaneze and all that, and they called Nwayi to join
I'm sure she will join because they will tell her the amount.
Yeah, I think she later joined that, but she don't want to come out to tell Biafran that look, I am out from here. You understand? I think she joined.
That's the reason why, because I was surprised. I was like, this woman, Dr. Ngozi, the person was talking about Nigeria. And then, and she's saying, we shall see. Oh. Well, we'll get the detail of this thing tomorrow, We'll get the detail of it.
Of course. Tomorrow, let me see if I can share. Is it possible? That lady is full-time obedient. She insulted the Biafrans during the election. She said a lot. She's the one that said that the Biafrans are jobless people in abroad that don't have anything. That don't have anything to offer in abroad other than to deceive Biafra, to deceive our people in the name of Biafra. Then when P2B failed, people also bombard her. She couldn't broadcast for some time.
What this is to position. That's all they're looking for. Position.
It's position, nothing more. It's, of course, position.
If they will be recognized.
He believe Ocha. Recognized by what? That some of us, the way some of us reason is shocking.
Like P2B will do magic. Not in Nigeria. Even Jesus Christ. If Jesus Christ should come down to Nigeria, Jesus Christ will not go through it at all. Because that Nigeria is built on a lie foundation. Jesus Christ has to uproot it. And
that is what people don't know. Some of us, see it as a joke. When you tell them, look, this is what is obtainable, they see it as you are just joking.
But how can you be joking where the British that did it wrote it down? They called it something company before they eventually turned it to Nigeria. There was something they call it that has to do with
Royal Company.
Royal Company.
Royal Company. That's what it is. It's a Royal Company.
And people think that it's no more Royal Company. You're joking.
It has changed because
they gave it Nigeria.
I don't know. Can you can see this date on the screen, man? Are you seeing that?
Oh, is it this lady?
Yeah, this girl.
Oh, this one that dresses sometimes like a mad woman. Sometimes, is she the one?
What I need is few people that have their senses working. If you do not like what I am doing, please press the unfollow button, and I will appreciate that. Some people somewhere are seriously trying to hack into my Facebook account for business.
She thinks that she can use her. She's beautiful, but she thinks that she can use her beauty to do rubbish. We're looking for Biafra. We're looking for Biafra with Anya Red.
We're not here for beauty contest. So your beauty should be one side, and you are not the only beautiful one. You're not the only beautiful.
Anya Red.
I'm telling you. Yeah, if you thank you so much for your support. He said Royal Niger Company. That is the name of the company. It's true. And it could be this pattern. This could be the Ogenkere's inspiration to register company and personal company and later convert it to Nigeria.
Yeah.
Because this could be his tactics. Because when PM registered Briggy, it's owned by Biafrans. PM did not drag anything. You understand? So, but the man is now shifting it from Briggy that people used to know to his private company. That for what's the name of this guy? This a guy called Academic Highness.
That man said, disappointed in himself. Oh, look.
That one said that Ogun can have right to fire and hire. That statement alone knocked me off from everything they're saying. That statement that he have right to fire and hire, then it's no longer freedom, man. This is just another Royal company.
That's right.
Another Nigeria company. That's what it is. In fact, I think I need to use this one on my program, because you cannot just let us make sense out of it. This guy may be looking the way they build Nigeria. Maybe that's what he's trying to do. A few white people, landed in our place, registered something on their own, because the office they registered belongs to them as well. They registered everything and called it Royal Niger Company. From Royal Niger Company, then they started talking to people on, donor of the land, trying to organize one or two things, trying to impose one or two things to them. Gradually, they formed, Nigeria. So that could be what this guy is doing, building Kaaba from onset to build a company, to build another country. That means it's better you remain in Nigeria then, because that's another Nigeria, no more than one. It's better you stay in Nigeria, in Nigeria then. It's not going to work. Oh. No. It's not going to work. Anchor said, believe me, Mazikai report. Our DPM knows a lot. Our government have seen or know her supporters from the Southeast. That should start preparing. She must use to set as an example. That is what everybody is saying. I don't think anybody will kick against this one. I don't think. That's why I'm curious to see, to ask people, what is your take?
Let me see. You will see one mumu who want to be noticed that will come and say something. It's not that they don't know, that they are not happy and they don't know the damage it's causing, but our people. Sometimes some people will just want to be that negative just to be noticed.
But the person have to. My own is once you choose to be, I will ask you a question. You have to. You cannot just say yes. I am against then, without me asking some question. Now, of course, I will ask a question. If that is what will make me to know more about you, to know how you reason, how you think. Because you cannot just tell me, oh no, I'm against it, without me asking you some one or two things like, so are you okay labeling Biafrans Odobonibu? Do you think it's okay for you? Then you tell me how the whole world see Odobonibu. How can you be bearing Odobonibu by somebody who claims he's from your side or your people, and you're looking for recognition? Do you understand? So this woman, no. The man, as I'm talking this, I'm saying this in myself. I feel somehow. How can you be looking for? You know how desperate our people are to have at least one or two recognition, and you are busy calling Ndobonibu. So what are you trying to achieve?
That was too much. That was really.
What are you trying to achieve?
It was so.
If any government said no, is it going to be their fault or your fault? After knowing that you saying those things, you are actually against your people. You know. It's not as if you don't know, you know. Anyway, we are going to end it now. Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you. God bless you. God bless you, man.
God bless you too.
So, my people, we have to come to an end. We have come to an end of this later broadcast. I decided to react on it. I wanted to discuss other things, but for the sake of this news is worth sharing instanta. We have to do that. Our brother Ezenwife said, Ojus I see you. You're welcome. He said, I have, let me bring your comment up. You said, I have, where is that your comment again? I have told you many have been looking for this plus me. Thousands have been looking for this, my brother. Even the woman know. There's a video where she said that if they are looking for me to, that the people are looking for her. That if they see anything to do to her, they will do it. She understands it. She knows the sin that she's committing, but someone somewhere is beating the drum that she's dancing on the street. And that people that are beating that drum happen to be in the bush. So, but she's one dancing the dance that only her can hear the instrument that she's dancing. But sometimes while dancing, you may step on people. That is just a fact. And those that you step on them will like to also push back. As simple as that. Aloy Chike, he said it is high time USB take actions against that. This is, if USB said that they were doing fundraising for this woman, believe you me, it will be massive. It will be massive. That is how bad it has become. And she's the one that actually made it so. Once do you know the level of love Biafra have for this one before? If you know the love that I have for this woman, Ojide one and Ajamon do not buy that woman. Adadorama Sabo. This your the other word I can't pronounce it. Now France, this investor, you don't they look for problem. So my people, please help me to click on the like button. Thank you so much for your time and see you tomorrow. We just want to spend 1 hour on this, and this is 1 hour 7 minutes and some seconds. So we're gonna end it here. See you tomorrow. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.